Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back in another video. In today's video, y'all. In today's video we finna be rating the new best script, fraud.law. I'm already loaded in. I have my config with solar and all that. But first, we start today's video. Make sure to join the config server, Discord IG/Aimlock. If you want the best configs for like every cheat. Y'all can pause the video and look at prices. Y'all can get it custom made, and yeah, that's about it. So just get into the video. The link for fraud and the link for my config server will be in the description. But yeah, so here are some of the features if y'all want to look at these for a bit. But I'm already at my config loaded in, so I don't need to like look at it. So yeah. Oh yeah, and the script also has a built-in macro, as y'all can see, and it sounds and all that. So ESP2, all that. I don't need this for the video because I'm not gonna be using it, but yeah, I'm just be rating.
Look at you,
bro. Can't even be mad about that. I didn't. Bro, what? Bro, I'm. I'm gonna go get Rev and stomp that dude. It's making me kind of mad. Let's go over and get Rev. You suck, kid. You suck. You're clipped. You're clipped. You're clipped. You're clipped. Bro, I don't. I'm probably the least active player in this game. There's 100% chance that that's actually her. Or he. I don't even know what that thing is. Sigma with the samurai outfit. Like, alright, bro. Control. Let's go and get, bro. Like, can you move, bro? Like, please. Like, I didn't even want to kill you, bro. But you ain't moving, bro. It's gonna make me kind of mad. Back. You're clipped, pal. You're clipped, pal. Hold on, y'all, bro. I don't know why this isn't tapping. I think I have like a Aimlock option on. It's like fucking me up. No, I don't even have it on. What's going on? It's literally hitting everything. This is what. Bro, I'm trying to get a good clip. A good clip. Good clip. Are you serious? Finally got you, boy. Get my clip back. Get my clip back. You got a crew? Are you serious? Why am I getting shot, bro? This is a game, like. I'll add him after the video. Bro, what do you mean? I'm literally the best.
What do you mean? You sound like a little kid. I don't want to hear it from you.
I'm not.
Still play this game. Look at your username. Drop me if not.
Bro, you play too? Bro, what?
Bro, you play too. Bro, you play too.
I'm gonna clip you. I'm gonna get you banned. I'm gonna clip. Except you. Except you. Except you. You're true. Bro, you're the one crying. I wanna clip you. I wanna clip you. You're locking. You're locking. You're locking.
Oh my god. No.
Can you please jump? Can you please jump for the air shot? Like for the air shot, bro. Just for the one time. I'm trying to jump for the one time, bro. Oh my, bro. I need to like turn on low G effects or something. It sucks. Yeah, this kid for sure. Nick, what are you doing, man? Another one. And down the street.
No, I'm not jumping for no haircut back.
Please, just for the one time. For the one time. Bro, just for the clip, for the one time, and I'll leave you alone for the rest of the shit.
Are you slow? No.
Dude, okay, can you put a mask on or something then?
No. Who was at my front door? I just heard my ring camera go off.
I don't know. Ooh. Whoa, 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 not the RPG. Whoa, slow down, young buck. Slow down. Slow down with the RPG, twin. Y'all, this dirty fucking nigger always in my game. Stupid black fucking District 8 fucking pour on nigger. Fucking pushy nigger bitch. Fucking hate niggers, bro. Whatever, I'ma just go kill it. Disgusting, filthy. Can I get some? Can I get some?
No.
Please?
No, you're broke.
I'm not, please, I'm broke. Please, give me some money.
Okay, you have more than me, so go. Please.
Please.
No. No, go buy some to hood cash.
Alright. Why are they so mean, bruh? Oh, they got crying. One more time? Just jump one more time. Jump one more time. One more time. One more time. Come on. Can I bring you up? Okay. I'll bring you uphill. Wait, hold on, I have a better thing. Let me do. I don't know who to fight, bro. There's like, this is all females, bro. No the hoodlock, no the hoodlock script, no the hoodlock scripter. Hold on, I'm finna. No, don't you think I got your number? Come on. Come on. You know you wanna fight. You know you wanna fight. Come on. Come on. You know you wanna fight. You know you wanna run it, bro. You know you wanna run it, bro. Come on, just run it. You got 40. This one. Ooh, alright, I'm gonna kill this nigger, and then I'm finna end off this showcase. Blacky, fucking blacky. Alright guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure get both the links in the description, Discord, fraud, Aimlock, and alright, let's see you on the next video. Peace.